If not for the courage of the fearless crew, the minnow would be lost. With Gilligan, the skipper too, a movie star, and the rest are here on Gilligan's Island.
Hi, I'm Catherine Modock. I am your 8th grade math teacher. You will be on the white team, and we will be across the street at Open Door. We are guests there, so we need to make sure that we behave appropriately. Also, your phone needs to be in your backpack at all times. When you are at Open Door, you cannot have your phone out. As far as math, there are 3 different levels in math. Algebra and advanced algebra can earn high school credit. Intro to algebra is the 8th grade standards based on the state. Algebra and advanced algebra need graphing calculators. The TI-84 is your best bet, or TI-84 Plus. For the intro kids, you just need your scientific calculator from last year. You can expect to have homework every night, regardless of which class you are in. Parents, don't get stressed about helping your child, because I know it will just be a fight with them because you learned things differently. Just encourage your child to come in and get help if they have questions. I look forward to working with you this year.
Hi, I'm Mr. Lynch. I am the white team science teacher. This year we're going to have a variety of topics. We're going to start the year in earth science. After earth science, we're going to move into some life science with genetics and population change. And then the end of the year is going to be some physics. So it's a nice variety of topics that we're going to have. Just like you're probably going to hear in all of your classes, Google Classroom is going to be extremely important this year. Make sure, we'll get you in the first day, but we'll be putting assignments into Google Classroom, walking you through that, just so that you're familiar with how things are going to be distributed and how you're going to be able to access any materials that you need. It is on the supply list, but one thing we just want to point out is it would be really helpful to have either earphones or earbuds that have an audio jack, because with the computers, they don't have the lightning port on them, and so just a regular audio jack. I know a lot of earbuds now have the lightning adapter at the bottom, or if you have one of the adapters that takes it lightning to audio jack, that would also be helpful. We're looking forward to a great year. If you need anything, feel free to email me, lynchj@alstudent.org.
Hello, I'm Mr. Fitch, and I'm on the white team. We're excited to get this year started. I am your history teacher. We cover the time periods from 1607 to 1877, and that's all American history. This year is going to be different. We'll all get through it together. I'm going to remind you that you have to have your Chromebooks every day. They need to be charged, so make sure you do that. We'll be using Google Classroom a ton. Through getting your class assignments, and we're going to do a little less paper this year, so make sure you're familiar with Google Classroom. We'll get you set up the first day. The syllabus is on there with information. To be honest, I'm really just excited to get the year started, so we will see you soon.
Hi, I'm Nicole Wells. A lot of you might have seen me before, so I'm back. I'm on the white team. I'm going to be your 8th grade language arts teacher. A little bit about myself. I live here in Avon Lake, and I have 3 daughters. I know a lot of you know my oldest, who's an 8th grader, and I have twins that are in 6th grade at Troy. About the language arts, we are going to have a great year together. We're going to be over at the church. We like to call it the Island. Okay, so we are going to be doing a variety of novels, and in those, we will be standard driven. You can find all of this information through the Avon Lake City Schools, and under Avon Lake City Schools, go under the curriculum director, and then you look under frameworks, and that will be where you can see what 8th grade standards are, and everything is through the ODE. And then also, if you're looking for placement for high school and have any questions regarding that, again, that's all on the website and you can find. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email us either through the Gmail account or through our Outlook. Looking forward to a great year, very excited. The good news is on the island, we have air conditioning, so we are very excited about that. See you soon.
Hello, I'm Mr. Warren. I teach computer applications here at Learwood Middle School. This year, the 7th grade students will be using many different applications and software programs to explore units in keyboarding, desktop publishing, digital citizenship, and multimedia presentations. My 8th grade students will explore units such as spreadsheet techniques used in the business world, video editing, intro to computer programming, and Photoshop. My assignments and webpage can be found on Google Classroom, and my contact information is below. I'm looking forward to a great school year.
Hello, my name is Vasa Mork and I teach technology. 7th grade students will be primarily focusing on the engineering design process. Students will use this process to complete various design and problem solving activities. Students will also be introduced to programming and using the laser engraver as well. 8th grade students will be introduced to the basics of engineering drawing, with the primary focus being third angle, multi-view, and isometric drawings. 2 projects will be completed, one for each type of drawing. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.
Hi, I'm Leslie Carson and I'm the art educator here at Learwood School. This year I am taking a more holistic approach to the art curriculum, and I'm not just focusing on production. In the world today, we need our kids to be problem solvers, critical thinkers, and to be able to look at situations from all sides. This is one of the things I love about art. There is never one right answer. It's not like math, it's not like science, where it's either right or wrong. In art, there are many answers to the same questions. This year, I'm going to feature an artwork of the week. We will engage all week in analyzing the artwork and its historical content and the themes used to create the artwork. Then, rather than copy the artwork, the students will then be challenged to use the themes and ideas to express them in their own original works of art. And then, they're going to be asked to reflect on their learning and the learning process. I know I have lofty goals for this year, but I know the students of Avon Lake will be up to the challenge and might even exceed my goals. If you have any questions, just reach out. Have a safe and wonderful year.
Hi, my name's Jim Johnson. I teach physical education and life skills at the 8th grade level. I also teach one of the 7th grade life skills classes this year. This is my 21st year at Learwood Middle School. I'll talk to you briefly about life skills. We will be covering a lot of health topics, a variety of health topics, with a real concentration on mental wellness. I'm looking forward to this school year, and if you ever have any questions, you know where to reach me through email. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Sarah Fleming. I'm one of the phys ed teachers here at Learwood. I also will be teaching life skills for 8th grade during the second half of the year. So I want to say welcome, and for 8th graders, welcome back. We've definitely missed you guys during this time. As far as phys ed goes, it's going to look a little bit different than in the past. We're going to be social distanced. You will not need to change into a uniform, but you'll be expected to have gym shoes each day. And we're going to make it as fun as we can, doing walking, fitness, and like I said, a lot of social distance, fun games. So looking forward to meeting you guys, and we're going to have a great year. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Randazzo. I'm the 7th grade life skills teacher here at Learwood. I am one of 3 teachers that will be working with your child during the quarter. Mrs. Lisa Goodwin is part of LACADA. It is a grant-based program through Lorain County, and she will be covering decision making and drug and alcohol awareness. It's kind of an eduvention situation where she educates the students and also helps them make good decisions on preventing use. I cover the educational psychology piece, so we'll be talking about learning styles, working on our strengths and our weaknesses, how to be successful here at Learwood throughout our different subjects. And then Miss Kristen Acton is our district social worker. She comes in on Wednesdays and leads lessons called Wellness Wednesday, and that focuses on mental and physical well-being.
Hi, my name is Chris Ewald. I'm the band director here at Learwood. So I teach 7th grade band and 8th grade band and 7th grade general music. For the band classes this year, we are still playing, but with some modifications, and that'll change throughout the year. We will be working on rhythm reading, pitch reading. We're going to do some music theory. We're going to do some historical background on the pieces that we're playing. So there's going to be some non-playing activities. There will be more home playing homework activities. And in general music, we will be exploring some music history and some listening activities and some interactive activities using computer programs. Your students' assignments can be found on Google Classroom. I do have a band web page, and here's the band web address right down here, learwoodbands.weebly.com. And here is the books for band, 7th grade, Measures of Success, Book 1, and 8th grade, Measures of Success, Book 2. These books your children should still have from Troy, and the 8th graders should have had them from last year as well. And you can contact me through email, christopher.ewald@avonlakecityschools.org. I look forward to seeing your students and meeting each of you.
Hello, my name is Miss Pop, and I am the choir director here at Learwood Middle School. This year choir is going to look a lot different because per the guidelines of the Lorain County Health Commissioner, we are not, as of right now, to do any indoor singing with groups. So because of that, when we sing, it will be outside, or I may do some recording assignments for students at home to still keep that core of the curriculum in there. But this core and this semester will not be focused on singing. This one will mostly be focused on music theory, listening, music history, other aspects of music that we might not get as much time to touch on as we would in a normal school year. All of your assignments and information will be on Google Classroom. In the past, I've had learwoodchoirs.org website. I'm not doing that this year. Everything will be on Google Classroom. Assignments, important documents, information, so all parents and students can find all information there. If you need to contact me, you can reach me at Courtney, COURTNEY.pop, POPP, at avonlakecityschools.org. Thank you, and looking forward to have a good year with you.
Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Kulikowski, and this year I'll be teaching the 8th grade orchestra here at Learwood. This year I'm planning to just kind of have everybody review some stuff that we did last year, as well as try to learn some new techniques and stuff as well. So always looking to do some fun stuff this year. We won't be having our fall festival like we normally do, but we're hoping to do some sort of virtual performance by December. If you need anything or need to look for assignments and info, you can look for that on my Google Classroom, which will be set up soon. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to email or give me a call. Thank you so much. Looking forward to a great year.
Hello, my name is Mr. Bowman. I am teaching 7th grade orchestra this year. I'm looking forward to helping us progress with learning to play our instruments. We're going to go through things like moving our fingers backwards to play flats. We're going to be extending our fingers forwards to play sharps. We're going to talk about vibrato and shifting, moving our hand up and down the instrument, as well as how to tune ourselves so that we can make sure our instruments are in tune at home. I think we're going to learn a lot this year. We're going to turn you from good players into excellent players. That's my goal. I look forward to seeing you all very soon. Bye.
Hello, my name is Jennifer Farney, and I am one of the Spanish teachers here at Learwood. One thing I wanted to let you know is that as far as French, Spanish, or Chinese goes, in order to receive the high school credit for foreign language, you need to get a 70 or above in the class. By getting a 70 or above in the class at the end of the year, you will be able to not only get the high school credit, but in high school be registered for Spanish 2 or Honors 2, and that will be decided by your teacher. Thank you. Have a great night.
Hello, my name is Maria Eugenia Cedron Bresnahan. Our students know me as Señora Cedron or Señora Bresnahan. I'm one of the Spanish teachers here at Learwood. I'm originally from Lima, Peru. In learning a different language, our students not only learn the mechanics of it, they learn about the culture of the language they are taking. For this reason, in our lessons, we emphasize and integrate the cultural piece as part of our curriculum. I'm looking forward to working with your child. Muchas gracias. Adiós.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Randazzo, or Senora Randazzo. I'm one of the Spanish teachers here at Learwood. We do not have an official textbook, but we do follow the ODE National and State Standards, and we follow the curriculum framework that is found on the Avon Lake City Schools webpage. We use Google Classroom as our platform, and that is where we post many resources for the students to use. One of our favorite resources that we will be utilizing this year is the Duolingo, and then we also post useful resources that the kids can access at school and online at home.
Hi, my name is Dina Marsala, and I am the French teacher here at Learwood Middle School. In French, we are going to be learning a lot of brand new topics, since most of you, this is the first time you've ever taken French. And what parents, you should know that foreign language classes here at Learwood are not like you probably took them in the past. We are very much communication based, we're proficiency based. There is going to be a lot of input for those students this year. You should not expect them to come home and be able to have a complete conversation with you after the first couple days of school. They'll get there, just not right away. All of my homework assignments and everything will be on Google Classroom, so you can look on there. And I am at 3 different buildings this year, so if you need to get in touch with me, the best place to do that is email, which should be right here on the screen for you. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Kate Ku, the Chinese language and culture teacher at Avon Lake City Schools. Learwood Chinese class will introduce basic Mandarin Chinese, which is the official Chinese language in China. Many students are afraid of taking Chinese because it is hard. Chinese use characters, and also Chinese has 4 tones when speak, which the English speaking students don't have all of those. That is why, make them afraid of that. But after practice, you learn that, and all will go away. Just like you learn to use fork and knife to eat, and Chinese use chopsticks to eat. After you're getting used to it, and it's not a problem at all. It's just like the practice will help you. Like you learn a music instrument or you play a sports. Practice makes your skill better. And the other thing I want to say is don't be shy and don't be afraid of to ask questions. If you have any question, please ask in the class or after class, email me. And don't forget to check your Google Classroom every day and see the assignment. If you need extra help, just let me know. We can make arrangements either after school or a weekend, online or by phone. Okay, thank you for taking Chinese, and I'm looking forward to seeing you online. Bye.